Imagine this for a moment. You're driving down a long, open highway. The sun is low in the sky, the road is quiet, and behind the wheel you feel completely free. No hotel bookings, no tight schedules, no pressure to be anywhere at a certain time. Just you, the road, and a perfectly designed home on wheels. This is not just a vehicle, and it's definitely not just a van. This is the 1995 Airstream Atlas 24MS. A luxury travel van from a time when things were built with purpose, craftsmanship, and real soul. Today, we're taking a deep look at one of the most iconic compact motorhomes ever made, and by the end of this video, you might find yourself dreaming about your next road trip. The 1995 Airstream Atlas 24MS was created for people who wanted true freedom without sacrificing comfort. It's compact enough to drive like a regular vehicle, yet inside it feels like a calm, private retreat. This van was designed for travelers who wanted reliability, luxury, and timeless design all in one package, and even today, decades later, it still feels special. One look at the exterior and you immediately recognize classic Airstream DNA. The smooth aluminum body, the clean and simple lines, and the quiet confidence in its design. It doesn't try to show off, it doesn't scream for attention, it simply earns respect. The aerodynamic shape isn't just for looks either, it helps with stability and efficiency on long highway drives. Large side windows allow natural light to pour inside, and every panel, hinge, and door feels solid and well built, like it was made to last for decades. What really makes the Atlas 24MS stand out is how easy and relaxed it feels on the road. Unlike large RVs that can feel stressful or intimidating, this van feels confident and controlled. You can drive it through cities, park it without trouble, and cruise long distances without feeling tired. The suspension is tuned for comfort, road noise is kept low, and visibility from the driver's seat is excellent. This is a vehicle you actually enjoy driving, not just something you tolerate to get from one place to another. Step inside, and the atmosphere changes immediately. The interior feels warm, calm, and welcoming. This is not a cold or plastic-feeling RV. It feels more like a small luxury apartment on wheels. Soft lighting, quality wood finishes, and a smart layout make the space feel larger than it really is. Every inch has been carefully planned, and you can tell this van was designed by people who truly understood travel. It's the kind of space that makes you slow down, breathe, and feel at home wherever you park. The sleeping area at the rear is comfortable and practical, designed for real rest after a long day on the road. This isn't an afterthought or a temporary solution, it's a proper sleeping space where you can recharge. Storage around the bed keeps everything organized, and privacy is handled well, allowing you to fully relax. This is where you wake up to quiet forests, mountain air, or ocean views, without needing a hotel room. The kitchen area is compact but extremely functional. You have everything you need to prepare simple, satisfying meals. A stove for cooking, a sink with clean water, storage for food and utensils, and a refrigerator that makes long trips easy. Everything is placed exactly where it should be, making cooking inside the van feel natural and stress-free. You can make breakfast by a lake, brew coffee in the morning, or enjoy a warm meal at night without stepping outside. One of the most important features of the Atlas 24MS is the private bathroom. Having your own toilet and shower on the road changes everything. You're no longer dependent on rest stops or campsites. The bathroom is compact but well designed, with a toilet, shower, sink, and proper ventilation. It gives you comfort, privacy, and independence wherever you go. Storage is another area where this van truly shines. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, closets, and drawers make it easy to carry clothes, supplies, tools, and personal items without cluttering the living space. Everything has its place, and the interior stays clean and organized even on long trips. This thoughtful use of space shows how carefully this motorhome was engineered. The 1995 Airstream Atlas 24MS isn't about flashy screens or modern gimmicks. It's about reliability, solid construction, and long-term durability. Thick insulation helps maintain a comfortable interior in different weather conditions, while the electrical and water systems are simple, dependable, and easy to maintain. The overall build quality feels strong and over-engineered in the best possible way, which is why many of these vans are still on the road today. So what makes this motorhome special even now? It's the balance. It's not too big, not too small, and not overly complicated. It offers real comfort, real freedom, and real enjoyment on the road. It doesn't chase trends, and it doesn't try to impress with excess. Instead, it focuses on what truly matters: experience, comfort, and the joy of travel. Now let me ask you something. If you could take this Airstream Atlas 24ms anywhere in the world, where would you go? Mountains, open deserts, coastal roads, or quiet countryside? Let me know in the comments, because I'd love to hear your dream destination. This van is perfect for solo travelers, couples, weekend explorers, and even full-time road dreamers. It's for people who want to wake up somewhere new without giving up comfort. For people who believe the journey matters just as much as the destination. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle choice. The 1995 Airstream Atlas 24ms is a reminder of what travel used to feel like, and what it still can be. Simple, beautiful, and purpose-built. It doesn't follow trends, it creates memories.